Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be doing a little review on this Garland grow light. It's definitely not a sponsored video or anything, I'm just saying what I think about it and how it's worked for me in the last few months. I'm currently growing some Christmas trees underneath it, so that's why it's quite low at the moment, because they only grow quite slow to start with. So I'm just going to move you guys in a bit. There we go. So what I'm going to do is take the lid off for you. It's on like these big nice supports, don't know if you can see, and it's like a little screw thing that you can unscrew and move it up and down and then tighten it back in. So it is quite easy to take the lid off. It can just be a bit stiff to start with, but just squeeze the two posts together and lift it up. So now you can see it with the lid off. I'm growing some Christmas trees. So if you want to grow any of those yourself, I've got a video on how to plant some of those. I'll put that in the end cards. But basically, it's on this mat. Doesn't look the greatest now. And it goes on these support things here. Show you them. And you put those down. I'll put that on top, and this basically soaks the water up into the bottom of the pot. So that's how that works. It's quite sturdy, the bases. It's got some nice supports. It's very easy to put together. Very easy to put together. It has been on. I'll put it on for about 13 hours a day. So not the longest for a grow light, but it definitely works very well. So let me show you the top half now. So this is the top half. It's got like a quite a bright light. It's only single though. It would be nice if it was double, but it has a reflector on it, so that maximizes the amount of light that's reflected onto your plants. Goes on this top. Looks quite neat. Also, turn you guys around. You can just turn it on and off with a simple flick of a switch. So it's quite handy. I got this one for £50 from Sutton's Seeds. I believe you can get it for 45 now. It's a Garland one, but loads of places supply them. I think they also do it in black, but I chose the white because it matches with my desk and everything. I put it under my desk at the moment. It is quite handy. So you can get like bigger, longer tubes for pretty much the same money of grow light, and you hang them up yourself and make a frame and stand and everything. But this is just very good for if you've got a small space or you just want to keep it in the house or something in a room. So yeah, I definitely would recommend it. So it's just like I just wanted to show anyone that's wanting to buy one basically what it is. So yeah, I just keep mine under my desk, but I put it on top of here for now. As you can see, Christmas trees are growing nicely. So I definitely like how the water can soak up and that, so you don't have to forget to water it as much. Yeah, I think it's 11 watts, so it's not that much. Don't use that much energy. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. So I just wanted to do a little video on that for anyone that's wanting to buy one. So yeah, I definitely would recommend it. I'll put a link in the description for a Sutton's one. Sutton Seeds, but I'm pretty sure you can get them from other places as well. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Remember to drop a like and leave a comment what you think, and if you've got any other type of grow light, if you think they're handy for you to start off your seeds early. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, like I said, and I guess I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye bye everybody.